throws pretty hard, and at age 22 is responsible for the 14
pretty
fastest pitches all year.
Pretty hard?
Pretty hard.
What's really hard?
Okay, really hard.
Okay.
That's a fair ball.
Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Freeman's on his way into second. The first extra base hit of the night for the Braves. And that one airmails Molina. An easy free 90 feet for Freeman. Donaldson with a line shot to right that gets down in front of Fowler. It's going to score Freeman, and here in the ninth, Atlanta's finally on the board.
Fastball 103, put right down Broadway. And big league hitters can hit a fastball, especially when they know it's coming, especially when it's right down the middle.